For the handbell, the functions of the handbell. Ringing the handbell is a signal as the announcement or reminder of the beginning of an official community gathering, such as teaching, meeting, posada, and so on. The timing and ways of ringing it. 10 minutes before the gathering, we will do the 2 long rings and 2 short rings. Then repeat several times with the suitable interval. We call it as the preparing rings. Then we will do the beginning rings at the beginning of the gathering. We will do 1 long ring and 2 short rings. Repeat 3 times continuously. The tips for handling the handbell. Hold the handbell horizontally with relaxing wrist, elbow, and shoulder. Then ring the bell by gently shaking it up and down, then stop. Up and down, then stop. Then allow the resonance going on while doing the long ring. For the board, the functions of striking the board. Striking the board is a vital signal of announcing that now is the time for one of the important daily schedule in the temple, like waking up, breakfast, lunch, medicine meal, chanting, and resting. The timing and ways of doing the waking up board to start the day, we would do the 3rd board, 4th board, and 5th board in the morning, and actually we'll do the 1st and 2nd board at night as the resting board. So for the waking up board to start the day, we would do the 3rd board at 4:30 in the morning. We would do the 3 strikes with the reason like this, ko, ko, ko. Then repeat 3 times continuously. Then waiting another person in the Buddha hall, striking the gong. Then continue the 4th board. The 4th board is the 4 strikes with the reason like this, ko, 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 ko. Repeat the 4 strike for few minutes, depends on your needs in the temple, to wake up everyone with a suitable interval between each 4th strike. By ending the 4th board, we will repeat the 4 strikes 4 times continuously. Then we will do the 5th board. That means 5 strikes with a little bit speedy reason like this, ko, 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 ko. Repeat 5 times continuously. After this, we will do the ending board. Strike with the reason like this. This reason goes with a verse we would recite silently. The same verse we would recite while doing the small bell for the 3 bows, as I shared in the Abbey. Repeat this ending strike 3 times continuously, followed by striking the board with the reason like this. Last, do the transition to the next Dhamma instrument. Big bell over the gong. This means now we are moving to the next session, led by another Dharma instrument. Like we will strike the big bell or gong once, then strike the board once. Repeat this transition for 3 times, then start to do the morning big bell or just start the morning chanting. The tips for handling the board. We can hold the board and striker in a stable but relaxed way. While striking, let the strikers bounce upon the board naturally.